I've carried a pocket knife almost all my life, ever since I was old enough to wear pants. And recently I decided I wanted to replace my current knife with one that was specifically designed for carving or whittling, as some call it. I searched around and I found this Pocket Whittler II made by MasterCarver. It looked like it would do the job just fine. Sometimes I like to practice my carving at the beach, or sitting on my patio, or even in my easy chair at home. So I wanted something that was compact, was dedicated and made specifically for carving. I'm not a metallurgist by any means, and I know that there are probably hundreds of different types of steels that you can use to make a knife blade. But for $50, I thought, why not just purchase this knife and give it a shot and see what I can do with it. Now, they claim this knife is supposed to be sharp right out of the box, but when I took a close look at the bevel on the blade, mine was just a little bit off. The bevel wasn't uniform all the way across the blade. But with a few strokes across a couple of ceramic waterstones, I was able to correct the bevel and get a sharp edge. So I put the knife to use on a couple of small projects, and I made myself use only that knife on my carvings. Here I'm carving a piece of basswood, and all I needed to do periodically was hone it on a leather strop. I was actually kind of surprised about how well this blade held up during use. The knife is roughly 6 inches long when extended, and the blade has a lockback design so you know it won't close on you accidentally. Overall, I was impressed with the fit and finish of this knife, especially given the price, and it was real comfortable in my hand for using it for long periods of time. So would I recommend this knife to anyone who's interested in carving? I think so. I've put this knife in my pocket and I carry it with me wherever I go. So now, when I'm on holiday, at the beach, or at home, I can take out my knife, grab a piece of wood, and start carving.